In previous videos, we've introduced what OSS and BSS are and what categories they comprise of. In this video and a series of videos that follow, we'll help to describe some of the main products and features for you. This video provides a simplified introduction to network inventory. We've chosen to start with network inventory because it is central to the operation of most OSS and BSS functions. When telcos operate large, complex networks that cover countries, continents, or even the entire globe, their networks consist of millions of components and resources. Some of these components are tangible, like network devices. Other components are more abstract, like IP addresses. However, telcos need to know exactly what they have, where it all is, and how it is connected, so that they can maintain and repair it, connect customers to it, control and scale it, as well as secure it. As the old network operator saying goes, you can't manage or protect what you don't know is there. Network inventory solutions ensure operators know what is there. There are two main subcategories of inventory: physical inventory and logical inventory. Physical inventory, as the name suggests, relates to tangible objects that you can hold in your hands. This can be network equipment like switches, modems, and routers. These devices are known as active inventory, in part because they require power to operate them. Since most active inventory is stored inside communications rooms or buildings, most examples are known as inside plant. There are also components known as passive inventory. These can also be held in your hand, but generally don't have a power cord attached. Passive inventory types include cables, joints, underground ducts, manholes, connectors, towers and poles, patch panels, and splitters. Since most passive inventory is located outside, most, but not all examples, fall into the subcategory known as outside plant. Because telco networks have a lot of outside plant, most network inventory tools show the network via map and topology views. This is really helpful to show how and where the network devices are connected. Just as passive devices don't have a power cord, they also don't tend to have a way to remotely collect information from them. As a result, telcos rely on network inventory solutions to accurately record up-to-date information about these assets. So, that's an introduction to physical inventory. Now, let's discuss logical inventory. Logical inventory isn't something you can hold in your hand. They are more abstract objects, but still vitally important for operating a network. Logical inventory includes concepts such as virtual circuits, private networks, IP addresses, virtual machines, VMs, and much more. Network inventory solutions must tie logical resources to the physical infrastructure that supports them. Clearly, telco networks consist of huge numbers of connections. Not just physical cables that plug into physical network devices, but many other types of associations, relationships, and hierarchies. Every operator's network is different. They have different network types, topologies, suppliers, and hundreds of other possible variants. Network inventory has the unenviable task of tracking all the different types of connections across all the different types of networks. This is what makes them so important to operating a network. Thank you for watching this video about network inventory, provided by SunVision, a leading provider of OSS and BSS tools, including SunVision Network Inventory.